All right, this is going to be fun. What I want to do today is share with you one of my life purposes. Okay, I think everyone should have a life purpose. I think it's really overwhelming to think about it, but I love to guide people through their life purposes. But right here, what I'm going to do is share with you on this whiteboard what one of my ultimate life purposes is, which is this. Over here, we have a dot. And over here, on this side, we have suffering. And on this side, we have bliss, joy, thriving. So one of my main objectives in life is to take people from suffering to thriving. Right? But not only people, we're talking about plants, animals, humans. Humans are animals, but anything that exists on this planet, I want to help it go from suffering to thriving. What if you're not suffering exactly? Let's take humans, for example. Okay. What areas do we have challenges in? We have financial, we have health, emotional, we have spiritual, we have mental, and we have bad jokes. That's what everybody in my life suffers from. So whatever it is that you are dealing with, I want to help people on all those realms get from suffering to thriving. And here's why. Because if I can help you or myself get from a place where we're not bogged down by all this challenge and all this worry and all this anxiety and all this depression and all these health issues and all this, whatever it might be, if I can help people get away from that and into thriving financially, spiritually, emotionally, mentally, what's going to happen? Theoretically, those people are then going to turn around and help others do the same. Okay. Now, this isn't always true. I understand that. But heart-centered, motivated people, heart-centered movers and shakers, heart-centered entrepreneurs, these are the people who are leading the world in making this happen, in reducing suffering for nature, restoring the planet, helping animals, helping other people, making a difference while having fun. And that's an important part of it, while having a great time, while enjoying life, while being blissed out, and just enjoying every single moment of this magical, beautiful, incredible existence that we're on right now, okay? So I'm going to be going around to different festivals and speaking and performing my music and sharing this message. And I'm going to be going around and helping people get their projects funded, get their missions funded. That's my vision. That's my dream. And I have these other little visions of doing some things too, where we go and party and we go enjoy life and we go live and we go get really curious about what we can do to help the world while having fun. It's going to be amazing. My main focus right now in sharing this vision with you is that I want to start building a tribe of people, building a community, a culture of people who care about themselves, who care about the world, who care about their mission, their passion, what they love doing. People who aren't just focused on themselves, but are also smart enough to know that they have to focus on getting themselves up this ladder, if you will, succeeding in the succession away from suffering and into thriving. And if we can do that together, if we can band together and we can come up with ideas together, have fun together, go out into the wilderness and brainstorm together. That's what's fun to me. See, I've always had this issue with the way that American culture is, where you go out for a night, you drink, you get messed up and you have fun, and then you come home the next day and then you wish you never did it. That's temporary. I have an issue with temporary. I'd rather create something that once I create it, I have it for the rest of my life. See this seashell right here? The seashell is representative of a lot of things to me. But one thing that it represents, I believe, is that a lot of people collect things like seashells and rocks and crystals. I collect beautiful people. I love to find people and say, you're my friend for the rest of our life, and there ain't nothing you can do about it, right? There's something beautiful about finding amazing people and introducing them to other amazing people, and building community, building a movement of people who care. And so I try not to be too much of a soapbox type of person. I try not to be too much of a preacher, but I'm so excited about this concept about finding people that want to travel the world to find the most amazing people and bring them back to me. Or I can go with. We can go to festivals, we can go on nature excursions, we can go on paradise retreats and do all these things. And that's what I'm cultivating right now. That's what I'm sculpting right now. I have a lot of friends that are doing it in different ways, and I feel like we all have that same desire of community. And so that's why it's so important for me to do this and share this with you, because right now it's just an idea. But this film series, this reality show that I'm working on, is called Dream Life TV. And it's about me going through the process of living out my dream life, sculpting my life in a way where I first step back and really think, what is it that I want to do with my life? And then actually building it and creating it on film the entire way from scratch, right? I'm in a place where I can actually focus on my mission. I want to have this reality show where I'm doing that, where I'm filming the entire process from being homeless, and at the same time, me reporting back to you what works and what doesn't so that you can do the same. I want to live out my dreams, but I also want to help you sculpt yours, help you fund yours, help you resource yours so that you can have whatever it is that you want, so that I can have whatever that I want. But here's the distinction. Literally doing it together, okay? Doing it together, meaning us planning our lives out, sculpting things together, brainstorming, partying, celebrating, bonfires, festivals, traveling, nature excursions, paradise retreats. It's just a vision. But watch me. God willing, universe willing, it will happen. So this is one of my main life missions, my main life purposes. And if this resonates with you, please reach out to me. I have a little email list that I'm starting, a text message list. The text message list is going to be for me to send motivational text messages every morning. One of my favorite texts that I have that goes off on my phone says, savor this moment. And I think I have it go off one every 2 days so it doesn't get old, but it pops up on my phone and it says, savor this moment. And no matter what I'm doing, no matter what kind of mood I'm in, as soon as that goes off, it's like a wave of warm sand with the cool breeze hitting me. And I want to share that. So if you have any interest in joining my text message list and getting motivational texts or my email list, go ahead and check it out. It's at nathen.tv. It's out here on the screen. And you can just keep on getting updated with my new videos that come out. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my life purpose, my vision, and hopefully I'll see you one day out there in the world. Until then, no regrets on your deathbed.